Hi everyone, welcome to Daphenity. Today I'm at the City of San Gabriel 4th of July celebration. I'm so happy to be handing out American flags to everyone attending the event. A big thank you to the San Gabriel Veterans Memorial Coalition for generously donating the flags. This year we have a huge crowd and everyone's having a great time. We also have an amazing live band performing throughout the evening. I'd like to thank the U.S. Army, our police officers, firefighters, and all of our first responders for their service and for keeping our community safe. One of the biggest highlights of tonight is the drone show. Hundreds of drones fly together using GPS and computer technology to create colorful pictures and patriotic symbols in the night sky. It's a fun and exciting way to celebrate Independence Day. The drone show is starting. Wow, look at that! Each light is a drone, and they are all working together to create incredible images in the sky. It's amazing what technology can do. Happy 4th of July from the City of San Gabriel. Thank you for watching Daphenity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!